Hello, motherfucker.
What's up, everybody? On my way home from work, yay! It's very, very windy out here. Some of you already know, that know me really well. Wednesday at 4:30 or something like that, I became a grandpa. It's like something's on burning like wires. It's not been me. Anyway, so yep, I'm officially a grandpa now. 40-year-old grandpa. Daughter did real good. Proud of her. But I have a story to tell.
Story time.
And it's not my story. I just got told this right before I left work from one of the guys who works a day shift. Because the other day, he got the shits at work. Like bad. Ended up calling his wife, have her come and get him because it was bad. Said he was a couple blocks from the house. That it hit him, he gotta go. Told the old lady to hurry up and get home. Well, guess he got to the house, jumped out the car, took off running in the house. You know them little fucking sticker things you get that fall off, the little sticker balls fall off trees? He got one of them trees in his front yard. I guess he slipped on one, trying to run for the house, tore up his knee real bad. Now, as tragic that is, the best part of the story is he ended up shitting himself. I don't know why he would tell me this story because, hello YouTube. Of course I'm going to tell the story. But yeah, so I thought it was quite humorous that he slipped and fell on a sticker ball and shit himself. Let's slow down, there's always a cop sitting up here. Be the one morning he ain't here. Usually sitting right fucking there, catches you going by, doing 91 and a 65. Yeah, he got me one day. It happens. Oh well. But daughter should be coming home today, I believe. Not sure when she gets released. I know it's supposed to be today. It's Friday. I haven't even got to meet the little guy yet because, you know, I've worked that night shift life, so if I'm not at work, I'm asleep. Damn, it's windy out here. You seen me coming, but you got over anyways, just to be a fucking cockhead. Fucking hate people.
Hey, asshole!
I turned around, thought there was a cop behind me. It's just an old ex-cop car.
You're a fucking idiot.
Pricks. The way people love them kind of cars following you. Fucking old cop cars driving motherfuckers, dickhead cocksuckers.
And it was like, oh! He said she ain't had no nipple!
Alright, well, that's pretty much it for this video. Just a little story time and Update that I am now officially a granddaddy. So, hope everybody has a great weekend. Y'all be safe. Keep the rubber side down. Oh, what's that one? Burn rubber, not your soul. Yeah.
Smoke, listen, man. Burn rubber, not your soul, baby.
Burn rubber, not your soul.
Man, you are one pathetic loser.
Anyways, I'll catch you on the flip side. Later.